Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we'll talk about the Spider tool. So Spider is a useful tool within Burp Suite. So if you want to automatically simulate someone clicking the website, following all the links, you use the Spider tool. So for example, if you click on the upload link, you can see that request is being logged in Burp, right? But if you want to find all the URLs that are in this website, you may have to go manually click on each link. So instead of that, you can go to Spider, or actually you can go to the target tab there, and you want the site in question, and then right click and say Spider this host. So this is not in scope. We will learn about scope in the next lesson, but for now just say yes. And if you click on the Spider tab, if there are any forms that ask for any login password or any other form inputs, it's going to pop up and ask you the question. But if for now, just get ignore form. Again, one more time, just click ignore. And Spider should be now, it's almost done actually. So it made around like 275 requests to the website. So now let's go back to the target tab, and if you drill down the tree view, you can see how many URLs has been spidered by Burp Suite. So this is very useful in finding any hidden links or any other link that may really interest you. So if you're looking at spidering like a shopping cart website, you may want to be careful, and because the same products will have the same links, and the Spider tool will keep running for a very long time. So you may have to set some options in that case. So you can use the scope option. Go to Spider and then go to the options tab, and then there are various options, but the important one is in the top. So you have to configure saying how deep you want to go, and also the number of parameterized requests per URL you want to make. So I'm making it 20. And again, it depends on each web application you're testing, and feel free to play with it and have some fun. That's pretty much what I had for this lesson, and I will see you soon next time. Thank you.